My name is Aleksandar Kostic. I'm sales engineer from the ADI company, which is for supporting fully home automation systems, including the Control 4 and all the brands under the Control 4 smart home ecosystem. Today we are at ISE 2026 in Barcelona, and I'm introducing you to the new product line from the Episode, which is called Episode Business Music System. So in Episode Business Music, we have three types of the products available. First is DSP, Digital Signal Processors, which are providing you microphone inputs and the full audio processing for the light commercial projects. They are perfectly paired with the EBMS amplifiers, which provide balanced audio inputs paired with balanced audio outputs from the DSPs. And the third device is the small packed device combining amplifiers and DSPs in a single box, which is called mix amps. So on the mix amps you have amplifier 2x2 amplifier and the full microphone input supported and the small display providing the control of the audio coming into the zone. So this is intended to be used for the small projects. Generally, all of those devices are fully integrated with the Control 4. We have full driver support, but they can also be used as a standalone devices with web interface available on each of them for the configuration. And when paired with the wall plate, zone controller wall plate, you can easily control them directly as a user interface. Wall plate automatically discovers all DSPs in the same network, and the end user can define what he wants to listen and in the which zone just by selecting from the menu here, select a certain source and zone where it is listened. Also, wall plate can be locked to the specific room, or it can be used to select all zones available in the project. We have different types of wall plates available. Wall plates for zone control, wall plates which provides additional microphone input, additional audio RCA input, balanced input, and also we have SPL wall plate, which is directly measuring the SPL level in the room, and based on that directly defining what is the optimal audio level from the EBMS amplifier. Have in mind that wall plate is compatible at the moment only with DSPs, so they are automatically discovered on the network, and the zone controller wall plate automatically pulls the information from the configured zones on the DSP from EBMS. So we also announced on ISE 2026 our next generation touchscreen. We have here on-wall touchscreen available. It is T5 touchscreen, and it perfectly matches the X4, our new platform from the Control 4. So this touchscreen is following the same cutout like the previous T4 touchscreens. It is much thinner from the back end, but the cutout is the same, so it is easily replaceable between T4 and T5. Also, what is quite convenient from the T5, what is new, is that we have removable frame, which is magnetic, so you can easily remove it and put it. Those frames are fully matching the frames from our new last generation of the keypads, and you can match frame from the touchscreen with the frame from the Lux keypads. All of the available frames which we have are visible on this wall. So we have around 10-15 different colors, and they are really easy for installation and replacement because they have magnetic contacts. Touchscreen itself, it is supporting what is new compared to T4. It is supporting proximity sensor, so it can be used when that feature is enabled to automatically switch on when it detects presence of the person close to it. So from December last year, we officially launched the next platform on the Control 4, which is called X4. X4 provides a completely new redesign look for the user interface. So we can, the same way like before, we can use our favorite icons, put it in different rooms, and that way the customize the whole user interface experience based on the customer preferences. But what is new also on the X4 is a new widget option. So we can also add a widget option here. We have different widgets available, like recently played music, thermostats, color lights, surveillance, weather, and also new option share Wi-Fi. We can directly show the QR code, and just by scanning it, you can share your guest Wi-Fi in the house. When we add the widget, we generally on the homepage we can see the direct control for the lighting widget or thermostat widgets, and also we can see the full weather information from the weather widgets. Besides this widget information, we also have completely new page added into the X4, and that is the home page, which represents like a main dashboard on the project level, and the end customer can put on the home page all the most important information related to the project itself. Regardless to which room it belongs, it can have all the widgets and favorite icons there, including cameras and live view or from the camera available on the home screen. Speaking of live view from the camera, there is a limitation in terms that you can have only one live view camera widget added, but the other cameras can be added as a screenshots refreshed in 1 minute. X4 in general is recommended to be used with core controllers, because X4 is optimized to be used with the core, which has more powerful hardware comparing to EA. But EA still support upgrade to X4, just they don't support OSD, while upgrading the X4 on core controller still keeps OSD available. So what is the biggest news from the lighting keypads and X4 is the launch of the new Lux keypads, which represent completely new line in our product portfolio. We have the old traditional and contemporary keypads, but now we have completely new premium option for the lighting, which is called Lux. As you can see here, we have multiple different colors and for buttons and frames available, also metal brush, and they are all decor style. At the moment, we have only decor form factor available, and it is available in single gang and multiple gangs. So this is the single gang, 2 gang, 3, and up to the 4 gangs. Keypads itself, they are completely redesigned. It is much better touch feeling, so background of the keypad is much better. It provides more dimming power, and we have many more different models of keypads available, including the switch dimmer, no neutral dimmer, and dimmer with built-in motion sensor as well. They are all wireless, supporting wireless connection, except the wired keypad module, which is using the same bus like the previous lighting keypads on the panelized lighting bus from the Control 4. All Zigbee wireless keypads, they are using Zigbee 3, and it is compatible only with Control 4 X4 operating system. So for that reason, on OS 3 and previously, you can use only Zigbee old keypads, which are working on Zigbee Pro, but from X4, using the Zigbee 3, you can connect Lux as well.